In this video, I'm going to talk about ASN assignment categories from IANA. So IANA stands for Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. So basically, they administer the assignment of autonomous system numbers, just like they do with IP addresses. So I guess the purpose of this video is to just give you a table that you can just look up if you want to have a quick look at the public AS numbers and private AS numbers. So I actually got this from a book called CCnp Routing and Switching by, I think the author was Kevin Wallace. So value, range, and purpose. So 0 is basically reserved, and 1 through 64,495 are assignable by IANA for public use. So basically these are the public AS numbers, and 64,496 through 64,511 are also reserved for use in documentation, and 64,512 through 65,534 are the ones that are private. So these are the AS numbers that are private, and 65,535 is reserved. So that's it for this video. Like I said, this is just a table for AS numbers, so you can just search for this on my channel if you want to, of course. So I think I think it's kind of important to memorize the private AS numbers. I mean the public AS numbers. So they are 1 through 64,495, and also of course the private ones. So they are 64,512 through 65,534. So there you go. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.